back, it was Abigail who wrote you don't forget. Wise old paternity birthed a document. Some 5 generations pushed equality, and still they're waiting for that to come to be. Fourscore by a million till they could be saved. Less fields, more prisons, invisible chains. 3/5 of your brother was the count of the day. IDs and suppression, now tools of the trade. Tear down that temple, don't let it stand. The way it's always been, a testament of man, built with so many hands. Go forth with what you see, let no stone stand, let no stone stand. Futures in our children in every land, torn from their mothers at this line in the sand. Manufactured cruelty in the cages you made. No pursuit of anything in your state of hate. Tear down that temple, don't let it stand. The way it's always been, a testament of man, built with so many hands. Go forth with what you see, let no stone stand, let no stone stand, let no stone stand, let no stone stand.